Moves it quickly over to Bailey. Oh, what a pass save by Anderson. Inside the offensive end now down the left. And he takes a shot. Glove save. Lots of time left in this period. We're still scoreless. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Across the line. New York's got the puck against the boards. Just gets a piece of it to keep it out. Wow. New York's won the draw, and they'll go to work. Stopped by the goaltender. He got a little piece of that one. Puck grab by Svechnikov. The Hurricanes take it across the blue line. Shot! And he comes up with it. Here's a short pass to Lee. Takes a shot. Turned aside with a glove. Anderson's going to slow things down and up for the whistle.
Well, you got to kill the play eventually. That way everyone can get reorganized.
New York's got it in the offensive zone. And it's in the back of the net. Wow, this was quick.
Hard to believe the game can change so quickly. An early score, and it is something that nobody quite expected.
The Islanders with about as perfect a road start you can get here, Ray.
They came out and wanted to be aggressive, sure, but you never really think you're going to get on the board this quickly.
And play resumes as the puck is dropped. Here's a shot, and he makes a save there. Anderson's going to hang on to that one for a whistle.
Quickly on top of that, James, he needed a cover there.
The Islanders win the faceoff. He grabs the puck here at the point. To the low slot. Big time stop.
Now, this is a good save here, James. I mean, he's got to read the play to get into position to make this stop. A difficult one from the slot.
New York's got the puck in their own end. Horvat's got it in the defensive end. Right up the gut into the attacking zone. Look out! And that goes off someone in front and doesn't reach the net. Centering feed. Oh, he comes up with a stop. Carolina's got the puck along the boards. And he slides it quickly to Svechnikov. Through the neutral zone now, picking up steam. Fires it on net. That goes off the twig. New York's moving it into the offensive end. And now he moves it to Horvat. Oh, just got a piece of it with the skate. The Islanders gain control of the puck against the wall. Oh, wow, another great stop.
It's a really good save. In tight, he shuts down the area where the puck can go by getting out onto the puck, and there's nowhere for the shooter to put it.
Jokinen's aware his team is trailing in this one, guys. Let's look to him to try to get things going. His zone ability can definitely help him do that.
The Hurricanes win it. Shot. Oh, it stays out as he gets a piece of that one. Down the left wing, they gain the zone. Shot. Stopped by the goaltender, getting a piece of that one. And now it's over to Natchez. Look at this down the right wing. They're on the attack. Slides it back to the goal line. More than half the period left to play. We got a 1-0 game to this point. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Along the half wall with the puck. Here in the corner, he grabs the puck. How did he stop that one? More than half the period has expired. New York's ahead 1-0. Nelson's won the draw in his own end. Now let's see if they can clear it. Straight up the middle. Here they come. Drives to the sweet spot. Oh, he got all that. What a save by Anderson.
That's a really good save. I think the goalie's probably surprised. He was dead center and open to shoot that puck.
Potvin got that seeing eye zone ability. He's so good at finding lanes when the goalie is screened.
Aho's won the faceoff. Carolina's got it in their own zone. Nice zone entry on the left side. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Moves it to Aho. Oh, zero fear to get in front of that shot. And he takes the feed.
They've been clawing away at this lead, James, trying to get this game back even. And there's the goal that does it.
And the centers glide towards the dot here as we got a face-off set to go. Face-off here in the neutral zone, and we are back underway. Shot! And a great save! Carolina's got the puck in the defensive end. Quick shot! And that carries off a stick. The Hurricanes have the puck in the corner. Now a quick pass to Bokin. Sends the pass in front. And he denies that great opportunity there.
Aho's played so well in this point streak, you know he wants to pile on it.
Puck is dropped and we are back underway. The Islanders have it now. Takes the feed from the wing. Puts it on net. And the goaltender comes up with a piece of it to keep it out of the net. Denies him again. Anderson's on top of the puck, and that'll stop the play.
Pretty conservative play here, James, as he covers it up to kill the play.
James and Ray with you tonight. More than half the period has been played. We got a tie game. Barzal's won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. And now he tries to get it across to Potvin. And that's blocked in traffic. Carolina's in transition. Here's a chance. The Islanders gain possession along the wall. And now he angles it across to Trottier. Fires it. Waffle boarded by Anderson. In front of the net, the goaltender covers up for a whistle on the play. Here in the later stages of this period, the next goal could be a big one as we are tied. Barzal's won the draw here in the offensive zone. The Hurricanes will play it in their own end. Through center along the wing. Here's a shot. Gets a piece of it to keep it out. Moments away from the face-off. Let's get back to the action. Horvat's won the draw deep in the defensive zone. And now he moves it quickly to Rivera. Fires it into the offensive zone. The Hurricanes get a hold of the puck along the boards. Bokin stick handling in his own zone. Cuts to the front. Takes the shot. New York's won the draw. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Rivera. Gets the puck in deep. And nearing the final 60 seconds of this opening stanza. In the first period. Carolina's on the attack. Shot gives them nothing in front. Here in the late goings of the period, we are all tied up in this one. Offense his own face-off, and he wins the draw. And there's the save. See if we can pick up some momentum again here as a face-off is ready to go. Carolina's won the face-off. Here he is from the slot. And that's a paddling from the goaltender.
But he came out and challenged him. Good save.
There's the buzzer. Fans seem to enjoy that first 20 minutes. We'll get to the second period right after both teams get a chance to catch their breath. Stick around.
Being a fan pays big dividends with home points, our exclusive fan loyalty program. Download our free app today and start earning great rewards. Scan the barcode on your ticket today to earn points for attending tonight's game.
We are about ready to get underway here for the second period. Neither side giving up much in the opening frame, and here we go, still tied up in the second. And it comes up with the save. Grabs the puck. The Hurricanes moving ahead. Wrestling in close, and he gets just enough of it to keep it out for the back of the net. Down the left wing and into the offensive zone. Rocks him on the play. That opportunity's rejected. Anderson's going to opt for the whistle and give everybody a chance to breathe.
Sometimes you get running around as the shift gets long. This helps.
Still early on in this frame, James and Ray with you. So glad you could join us. You can feel the energy in this crowd. It's a tie game. Quick pass to Teravainen. Skates to the crease. The Islanders scoop it up along the boards. Here they come inside the neutral zone. Takes a shot. The Islanders have it behind the cage. That one's turned aside. The Hurricanes will play it from the defensive zone. And now he moves it to Aho. Into the offensive zone. Here's a shot. He scores! And the deadlock's been broken.
Now you get a chance to control the pace of the game. It's tough to do it in a tie game. Now you've got the lead.
Second.
It's been a pretty tight game, not much on either side, but they've got the lead now.
Nice job tying up his opponent. Rivera's got it in the offensive zone. Oh, maybe a little too excited on the play.
Yeah, that play happened so fast, James. I mean, I think it's a great scoring chance. He might have... just a bit, thinking he's running out of time.
And we've got a fight. Nice effective use of the wrestling move.
Yeah, you don't see that all the time, but this fight had punched itself out. Things got pretty quiet here when the decision was pretty clearly to the road team.
Looks like the emotions have settled down. They've got calm back on the ice, and let's get this puck dropped once again. The Islanders will go to work here in the offensive zone. What a glove save by Anderson.
4 minutes, 41 seconds.
Lots of hockey left to be played in this period. Carolina's up 2-1, and the crowd has been enjoying this one. The Hurricanes take possession off the faceoff. Gaining momentum in the offensive end. Shot! And kept that one out of the net. New York's got it against the boards. Fires it into the offensive zone. The Hurricanes gain possession. Looking for space inside the D zone. Moves around along the half wall. Here he is. Spectacular stop by the goaltender. How did he hang on to that? Engvall's taking it from his own end. And now it's over to Nelson. Takes a shot. Oh, stopped with the pad by Anderson. Still lots of time left here in this frame. The Hurricanes lead at 2-1 in what has been an entertaining game thus far. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Carolina's got a hold of it against the wall. Here they come up along the wing. Driving right to the front. Made the stop on the play. Both teams are set. We'll drop the puck here. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. New York's looking to break out. Carolina's gained possession along the boards. No room for that one to get through. Nice feed. Moving into the attacking zone. Takes a shot. Gets a pad on it. What a stop by Anderson.
Nelson's able to get his balance back after he stumbled. He stayed in the play, and then he's able to get away a pretty good shot.
And that's blocked away. Looks to make a play over to Engvall. Throws it in. Carolina's got a hold of it along the wall. Slides the puck into the offensive zone. Oh, what a stop! New York's got the puck. Enters the offensive zone from the left. Takes it to the net. Denies him.
Anderson's not had many moments to breathe tonight. He's faced a heck of a lot of dangerous chances. Been busy from almost the opening drop of the puck, and he's given his team a chance to win.
Puts it on goal. Oh, what a save. Looking textbook there. Jokinen's going to play it from the back of the cage. And he gets a paddle on that one. New York's moving it along the wing. Carolina's got the puck along the wall. Makes a move in front. And he misses.
That's a good scoring opportunity. He doesn't capitalize on a grade A chance.
On the attack along the boards. Here's a shot. Huge stop by Anderson. The Hurricanes move the puck in the defensive zone. The Islanders have it against the wall. Lets the wrister fly. Scores! Delivers. Past the midway mark of the frame, James and Ray. You tonight, it's all tied up. Puck is play resumes, and they're going to dance off here. Well, I guess that's that.
That's that, and it's pretty clear, James, who had the upper hand. You got guys running together at high speed. Eventually, somebody's going to get frustrated. I'd say both of them got frustrated at the same time there, and down the gloves go.
Well, this game has new life breathed into this building tonight after what we just saw moments ago, but we still got a game to play. Carolina's on the attack. Takes a shot. Just gets enough to keep it out.
Svechnikov's efforts have to be towards creating offense. He gets stopped there, but I like the fact that he's back to doing what he's supposed to do. The fight is in the past, and he doesn't need to be doing that very often.
Stones him in front.
High-quality chance, high-quality save.
Scores! Look at this! The tie has been shattered. They've got the go-ahead goal.
Kept grinding at the game, and eventually you hope you're going to be the one to get the best chance. They get it, finish it, and now they've got the lead.
The Islanders get a hold of the puck off the draw. New York's got it along the wall. Here he is in close. Oh, a clutch save. Carolina's moving it up the ice. Moves his side. Oh, what a save in front.
He's sharp on this one, out on top of the crease aggressively to make the save.
Fires it on net. Oh, that's off the blocker. What a stop by Anderson. The Hurricanes play it along the boards. Shot, and he makes the save. Pesci's working it around in the corner. Right in the slot. Oh, and he just puts it wide of the net.
He misses by a large margin. He's right in the middle of the ice.
They put the puck into the offensive end. Carolina's got the puck along the boards. And it's a quick pass to Aho. Gaining momentum along the wing. Shot! Oh, he gets all that one with the pad. Quick shot! Turned aside by Anderson. 40 minutes in the books. Big third period coming up for both teams, and we're ready to go. They have dropped the puck here in the third. 40 minutes into this one here, Razor. How do you see things?
Carolina's got to find some energy here. The game's close, but they haven't had very many shots on goal. You're not going to score like that.
Lots of time left in this period. New York's hanging on to this 3-2 lead. Barzal's won the draw inside his own end. Takes the pass. Trotier's got the puck. Oh, tremendous reflexes with the pad. What a stop by Anderson. feed to Trottier. Stopped by the goaltender. Scooped up along the wall by Barzal. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Jokinen's got it along the wing. Moves it quickly over to Svechnikov. There's a great save on an excellent chance there. New York's through center and now in the offensive end. Back to the blue line. Oh, he got a little sliver of it, and it stays out. The centermen glide into position. New York's got it in the offensive zone. Carolina's got a hold of the puck. Hammers a shot. Grabs him with the glove. Covers it up, and we'll get a stoppage in play.
Aho's out there for this shift, guys, and with the team trailing, let's look to him to use his zone ability to try to get some chances here.
The Islanders win the draw. Here's a short pass to Lee. Dumps the puck in. The Hurricanes have it now. Along the side, here they come through the neutral zone. Here we go, puck's in deep. New York's got it along the wall. Gets the puck in deep. The Hurricanes gain possession along the wall. Slides it quickly to Aho. Puts it on net, and that one's turned away. New York's got it in their own zone. The Islanders work it through center. Cuts into the paint. The Hurricanes have a hold of it in the defensive zone. Quick pass over to Teravainen. Carolina's got the puck against the half wall. Had save. Oh, he got all of that one. And he takes the feed. Does it again with the stop.
Quick reflexes. You make one, you make two stops before the puck is cleared away.
The Hurricanes gain control of the puck. And look at this. They've really ratcheted up the intensity here. And they skated out of the danger zone. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone.
Oh, he laid a solid hit on him there. He was waiting for him and laid the shoulder right into him.
That might loosen a few of the choppers on that play. We haven't even hit the midway mark of the period. 3-2 is where we sit. It's a one-goal game in what has been a very fun contest to this point. The Hurricanes take it along the wing. Drives it to the crease. Has save, and he makes it look easy. The setters will glide into the dot. Carolina's won the draw, and they'll go to work. Back to the point it goes. Oh, that one comes up short as he just gets enough of that one. On the attack, they come down the right wing. Oh, they telegraph the pass, and he picks it off.
Carolina's coaches are pretty happy here on the bench with the way that they've played. They like the way they're taking the puck away. Now they want to create some offense.
While we have a moment, let's send it down ringside with our own Carlin Bave.
Potvin been buzzing, and he's been rewarded here. His name in the box score proves he's had a stronger night, guys.
Puck picked up by Potvin. Engvall's got it in the defensive end. Moves it to Nelson. Gains the zone through center. Gets the full use of his stick on the poke check. Along the right wall and into the offensive end. Long reach breaks up the momentum. Wallstrom's lugging the puck. The Islanders are in transition. To the front. The Hurricanes get a hold of the puck in their own end. Nietzsche plays it now. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Pacioretty. Here's a chance. Puck is frozen, and we get a stoppage in play. Past the halfway mark of this period, the Islanders have a little breathing room here, but not much as they lead at 3-2. Carolina's won the draw. Gets a piece of it with the trapper. Potbay's got the puck in his own zone. Up along the wing. With possession along the wall. Here he is, shot right in front. Turn that chance aside. Jokinen's moving the puck through his own zone. From off the wall and onto a stick. Fires it. Only just not enough of that to keep it out. The Hurricanes going to work on offense. Makes the save. I think he got a foot on that one. New York's got it in their own zone. Angles it over to Bailey. Skates across the blue line. Shot. And he had an answer with that save. And he takes the dish. Takes it into the slot. Big-time saving goal as he gets all of it with the stick. Great defensive effort with the stick. Carries it into the offensive end up the middle. Bailey's got it against the boards. Carolina's got control of it now from their own end. Slick feed. Quick pass to Svechnikov. Denies him in close. And now it's grabbed by Aho. Takes the feed at the point. On the backhand. Denies him in front. New York's got possession of the puck. Quick feed to Lee. Down the right wing and into the offensive zone. Moves it quickly over to Pellick. And he slides it quickly to Dobson. Right hard with the shot. Anderson's going to cover it up and get a whistle.
Even with the traffic starting to close in, he had to grab that when he did.
A lot on the line here in this offensive zone faceoff. Under a minute to go in the third. Big time stop there.
This is a real skill here. Some guys can't get the puck to the net ever. He never seems to miss. He uses the screen, through legs, around sticks, and forces the goalies into the save.
The Hurricanes have pulled the goaltender here. They've got the extra attacker out on the ice in hopes of a goal. Extra attacker at one end, but an empty net at the other as this face-off looms.
Yeah, you draw the play up, you look for the face-off win for a quick shot.
Well, that's one way to win the draw as he skates away with the puck after the two centers were tied up. Here we go. Face off inside the offensive end. The net is empty. They've got the extra attacker out. Horvat's won it off the face-off. Picks it off. Look out.
The Hurricanes have done a really good job of chopping the ice in half. Good stick position. Really good play without the puck. Now they got to generate something when they get that turnover.
Extra attacker on the ice. Big face-off here coming up. New York's won the face-off deep in their own end. Tries to get the puck to Pulock.
He probably wouldn't make that play about 10 minutes ago, but now with a lead in the dying moments of the game, that's a safe, smart play.
Moves it to Pacioretty. The Hurricanes are on the attack. Takes a shot. Denies him with the pad. The net is empty. The extra attacker's out, and a huge face-off looming. The Hurricanes take possession off the face-off. And this one is all over as the final horn sounds. Well, anybody who thought that this was going to be a quick series has been sorely mistaken after tonight.
At the very least, you dropped that first game. All you can think about is not the big picture, it's the small one. We need to split the first 2 games. They did a really good job.
Yeah, mission accomplished tonight. Well, that puts a bow on the night here this evening from all of us here at EA Sports. I'm James Cebulski. See ya.